Hi there. Today we are going to create a bootable USB without any third party. To create bootable USB, you just need USB with size not less than 4 GB, and we are going to use a tool. It's embedded in Windows Microsoft. It's called diskpart. You just come to the search and just type CMD, press enter, then diskpart, press enter. Yes, you just plug it your USB and make the next command, list disk. You will find that your USB is just right there. It's online, disk 2, and it's 14 GB. You just select disk, and just write the number of the disk 2. Now the disk is selected. To be sure that you just remove any critical data from your USB, because we are going to format it. Just clean, press enter. When you just type it, it will remove any data and it will be unformatted. Just create a primary partition. Okay, the partition is done. Then format FS and TFS quick. We are going to format the USB with the file system and TFS, and just press enter. It's formatted. Then you just type active to activate the USB to be bootable. The partition is being activated. After that, you are going to copy all the content of your your CD or DVD from your computer to the USB. If you just have an idle file like me, you just go to your source like that, and just right click on it and mount it to your PC. You just mount the image in your virtual DVD like me, press it, and then copy all the content to the USB. Just write that. It will take a while, and it's based on your USB speed and USB type. If you are using USB 3, it will be faster than if you're using USB 2. So I will pause it and now we just plug in your USB on your PC and put it from the USB, and here we are. Your Windows is now running and going to beginning the setup. Thank you for your watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until we meet again, thank you very much.